Well, I'm a little closer. Thought I'd make a little video here. We'll see how it turns out. Still got some things to do yet. Looking a little better. Got the navigation lights working. I'll try to show them on the rudder and on the top wing. And I got Glen Sig here in the cockpit. I've still got to put the black trim on the cowl. And I found a ding on the bottom wing here when I was assembling the plane, so I've got that to work on. And I can't put the flying wires in there until I repaint that. There's the gas tank cap on the top wing. And the wires to the navigation lights are in the fuel lines there. I've got all the flying wires on this side. And there's that Tarleton twin.